This SCITOO starter is purpose-built for a wide range of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Volkswagen vans and sport utility vehicles with 3.3-liter and 3.8-liter engines, making it a convenient choice for multi-vehicle garages. The unit delivers strong cranking power with its 1.1 kilowatt, 12-volt design and 10-tooth pinion gear, giving reliable cold start performance even on older high-mileage engines. Owners will appreciate that it is engineered to match original mounting points and electrical connections, so installation is straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic automotive work. The internal components and pinion gear use durable, wear-resistant materials that hold up well to repeated starts and help prevent slipping against the flywheel. Tightly assembled parts and a modern planetary gear layout keep operating noise low, so starts sound smoother and less harsh than with many worn factory units. Overall, this SCITOO starter offers a solid blend of broad compatibility, dependable engagement, and quiet operation that makes it a smart replacement for aging factory starters on these family vehicles.